Good morning. It's almost 11 o'clock. I just had some breakfast, cleaned up my tent and everything, and I'm ready to go. It rained a little bit this morning, but now it's pretty clear skies, nice and sunny. So I'm headed that way, and yeah, let's start today's hike. I am starting on the David Thompson Heritage Trail, and again, according to the guy I met, the other GDT hiker, he said that large portions of this trail that go on the ridge lines of mountains have been swept away by avalanche paths, and so apparently he says it's not that dangerous, but it's just very slow. So I guess we'll have to see how bad it is. You can see that's where the avalanche path is, and it is just trees like this all the way through that path. I can now see what he means by completely destroyed, because I mean, I'm probably just gonna have to go, up and around everything, and that's gonna take a while. So that leads to that. And that's exactly where the trail is supposed to be. And apparently there's a lot more of this to come, so this is gonna be some slow progress. Ugh. Full of these pine needles down my back. Ugh. Oh man. Alright, this trail is in really bad shape. Not only am I just getting completely scratched up by those avalanche paths, but the trail itself is basically a river at this point. So I'm kind of just bushwhacking through the trees, and then you get to the avalanche and it's even more bushwhack. So yeah. This next, I think, 10-ish kilometers is going to be pretty difficult. Making my way through the jungles of the Canadian Rockies, up this hill. Oh, oh man. Looks like there was a bridge here, but clearly that's not here anymore. Woo! Oh man. Right, a quick update. So right beside that waterfall I was just at, apparently there's a nice little kind of camp area. So I'm just taking a break, having some lunch, and chilling out. And my charger for my phone just broke. It's always been a little bit wobbly, but the tip just broke. Luckily, I should have enough battery to be able to get to the hotel, and hopefully I can buy a charger there. But yeah, that's not really good. I still have quite a long ways to go. I'm gonna be hiking for a while today, just trying to go as far as I possibly can to get as close to the hotel. This is why it's called the David Thompson Trail, Heritage Trail. It's the first major trade expedition west. And then you got another one of these, British Columbia, and I guess on the other side is Alberta. So I'm now in Alberta. I'm now in British Columbia. And then I'm not gonna read this, but I'll film it and read it on my own. So there we go. This is where I'm about to go, is House Pass, and that's where probably I'm gonna get a campsite tonight. Look at all this pollen just from bushwhacking trees. You know, some trees are just covered in pollen, sap, and other stuff, and it's gone all over my clothing, all over my bags. Some of this stuff like is definitely not gonna wash out. So ooh. Look at all these flowers. Okay, it's an hour later and I'm still at this spot, and I just did one of the stupidest things so far. So basically, this is not the Great Divide Trail. This is when I split off from the Great Divide Trail, it's supposed to come back around and connect to the Great Divide Trail. And the reason I went this route instead of the other route, the Great Divide Trail route, is because this route looked like the main route and I didn't want to bushwhack. But then I got to this point and it just kind of ends. And for some stupid reason, I thought, okay, I'll just keep walking and I'll find the trail in there. And needless to say, I didn't find the trail, so I'm lost deep into this forest for the past hour. Finally, I got back all the way down this river and have walked all the way back here. Anyways, that was very stressful because I don't want to use my phone battery very much for GPS because, well, my charger broke, so even though I have backup batteries, I can't charge my phone anymore. And I still have probably a good, I don't know, a good nearly 20 kilometers to get out of here. So I'm kind of relying on that. So anyways, I'm gonna set up my tent here. This is actually a really nice spot to set up my tent. And yeah, that was pretty stressful. So I'm just gonna eat dinner, chill out, take it slow, relax a bit, and then tomorrow I'll be back on the actual Great Divide Trail.